Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a bank account in Fiverr. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, the first thing what we want to do is going to open up the Fiverr app and then make sure to sign in, and at the bottom right hand corner click onto your profile. From here we're going to click into account, and you can see there is no such way to add in a bank account or any payment methods inside the app. So what we need to do is head on over to fiverr.com. Alright, I'm over at fiverr.com. Make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, we want to scroll down and click onto billing and payments under general. And then once we're inside billing and payments, we've got all these tabs here. We've got billing history, info, balances, and payment methods. Click on the payment methods, and then we can click add a payment method to Fiverr. So I'm going to click on add payment method. Just depends what location or region you're in, because at the moment it just says PayPal, so we can only add a PayPal payment method. It might say Payoneer, so you just click on PayPal or Payoneer and then connect that up, or create an account with PayPal or Payoneer, and then from there link your bank account to PayPal or Payoneer. This is the only way you can link your bank account to Fiverr at this point in time.